welcome back to my channel. My name is The Great Tay Tay, and for today's video, you guys, I will be using my Coily Bohemian crochet braids from the main concept. The color is 1B Burgundy, and also for this look, you guys, I will be using a few hairpins. And as you can see, my hair is already in two cute little buns, and to achieve my little bun, to slay my buns, I use my Dash 27 edge control. So first and foremost, this is what the hair looks like outside of the package. It's curly. I love me some curly hair, okay? So let's get right into it. So I'm using my rubber band thingy or scrunchie, or I don't know, whatever y'all want to call it. Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap it around the hair, as you can see. I hope I'm explaining it properly, but just kind of like wrap it under, and then you pull the other part of it, and you're kind of like creating a little scrunchie thing or a little rubber band thing. Anyways, we're gonna put that over the bun, okay? So you get what I'm saying. I'm gonna put it over the bun, and then I am gonna use the crochet braid to create another bun over my natural hair bun, okay? So I'm just gonna wrap the hair around in a bun, and I'm gonna wrap it as tight as possible. I'm gonna wrap it really tight because I want the bun to be not too neat, but a little bit messy, but neat at the same time. But I don't know, I hope you get what I'm saying. So I'm just wrapping the hair around in a bun, and after that, you guys, I'm gonna use my hairpins to secure the crochet braids. I'm gonna use the hairpins to secure the crochet braid so that it doesn't fall off my head, because I do not want to be walking around and have my hair falling off my head, because that's not cute. Okay, no ma'am, no sir. So this is what the first one looks like, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the other bun. So it's super fast, it's really easy to do, and I mean, it's not complicated, and I did not use lots of hair. I used only one pack of crochet hair, you guys. So I mean, you're saving your coins, okay? And also, you guys, I have other looks that I created with this same hair, so be sure to check those videos out. I'll leave it in the description bar below. And also, if you guys enjoy videos like these, feel free to subscribe to my channel, okay? You reach so far in the video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. And also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what other looks you guys want to see, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new content, you guys. So just be sure to keep that in mind. So I'm just securing the other bun to my head, and then I'm gonna go over, you see those flyaways on my natural hair, I'm gonna go over it with my Dash 27 edge control. And all the things that I used in this video, you guys, I'll leave it in the description bar below with the link, and you can go ahead and you can check those out. So I'm just gonna go over my hair, as I've said before, with my Dash 27 edge control, because I want my hair to look as neat as possible, and we don't want no flyaways and all that, okay? So I'm just gonna work my way with my baby hairs again, and I don't want it to be too swirly. I want it to have like a natural look, so I'm just going over it with my Dash 27 edge control. So that's it. That's the look I'm going for, and this is what it looks like, you guys, in the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.